So I'm about to take a pregnancy test at 6 days, 60 PO. So 60 PO, and yeah, let me show you guys. So yeah, so I'm gonna take this guy. I'm gonna take one of these guys. Let me show you guys. So at 60 PO, nothing. I don't even see the faintest line. It's there, but so it's there. I can see it, but can't get my hopes up just yet. So I'll test again. Why are you digging your nose? Are those all the pennies?
Huh?
Are those all the pennies that you had in your lap?
Yeah.
Can you sit down and pick them up and put your butt back on, please? We're about to leave.